Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D Thompson. So today we're going to be installing the BOHO Passion Twist 18-inch from the Main Concepts line. I'm so excited about this hair because, as you know, I have been ready to put my hair up. If you want to see how I prep my hair for protective styling, make sure you check out my latest video that I posted showing you how I protected my hair or prep my hair for protective styling using the Kara's Daughter products. But today, let's get into these BOHO Passion Twists. If you're unfamiliar with BOHO Passion Twist, basically it's just the hair twisted, but you're leaving out pieces, little tendrils, just to give it that bohemian vibe. So of course, with all my crochet styles, I start with my hair in cornrows. Make sure your front of your hair is very, very neat because that's what's going to give you the illusion. So the logistics on this hair is that it is pre-twisted, stretched, pre-layered, pre-feathered, has styling versatility, fullness, and volume. It is lightweight and super easy to install. And guys, anytime you're working with pre-looped hair, it's going to be easy. You just pull your crochet needle through, pull the rest of the hair through the loop, and you're done. But to slow this process down for you, I did utilize the one finger method because of the left out hair. It's gonna make this style get big really fast. So I just put a finger down just to give it that spacing, and then everything else is the same. Pull it through, loop it through, simple. Alright, so now this hair is completely installed. I'm loving how it looks. Now I did get this in the color 1B, but it does come in different assorted colors. Make sure you check that out on the website. I'm going to go in with the Lotta body mousse and just set this style down. Now you don't have to use mousse. I just use mousse forever on my crochet hair and I love how it works. Next, I'm going to go in with my diamond edges. Y'all know I don't default from the program, okay? And just lay these edges down just to clean up the style just a little bit. I love diamond edges because to me it lasts, especially in this Alabama humidity. So it's perfect for the spring and the summertime, especially if you live in the South. Okay guys, welcome back. So I have completely installed everything you guys got to see. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on the hair. First things first is this hair is gonna get really big really fast. So make sure you do the one finger method when skipping. Please do not. Don't bunch this up so much or you're gonna have a lot of hair. It got really big on me really fast. I ordered 8 packs and I only used 6.5. So please be mindful of that. The pieces that are left out actually give this a lot of volume. Now, I actually really love the volume. I love how this looks. It looks phenomenal. So I'm going to go over what I think about the actual hair itself. The hair itself is really soft, guys. This is way softer than the Sensational Lulu Tress. I'm sorry, my dog is barking. He's been really angry these past couple days. I don't know what's going on with him, but so like I was saying, the loop in the hair is really lightweight. And the loop itself is really, I'm trying to see if I can get it up. The loop itself is really small, which is great when you're getting up close to your edges, is that you don't want to put so much tension on your edges. So please be careful when adding any type of crochet hair on your edges that you're not pulling your edges while you're installing your crochet. So I will say that this is edge friendly because I got up pretty close and it's very lightweight on my edges. So that's one of the pros that I really like about this, is the fact that it's so lightweight. It gives you the look, it gives you the volume, but you don't feel like your head is completely weighed down. And this will also keep your edges in check. So another pro to this hair that I really like is that it is pre-layered and feathered. So I didn't have to shake this up. Like you see, it just naturally layered itself, and I think it's because all of them are different layers. So it takes out that extra work that you would normally do, you know, cutting and sizing up and all of that other stuff, and just makes this a really quick and easy install. I was able to install all of this in 30 minutes. I braided my hair the night before, and then when I got ready to install it, you know, I just put it in and it was the looping was perfect. The hair went through perfect. I didn't have any issues with installation. So they really did find a way to just simplify this process and give you beautiful results. So the disclaimer for this hair is because it does have some leave out, especially at the ends and inside the middle, please make sure that you wrap your hair up at night. Treat this like your own natural hair or any other crochet hair, like normal regular crochet hair that you just put in. You still got to take care of it. So don't be trying to lay on this and think you're not gonna mat it up. I don't know if this is waterproof. I'm not gonna test it because I don't want it. I want this to at least last me 2 weeks. So I'm not gonna test it in the water. That's up to you if you decide to do that. But all in all, I am going to be mindful of the fact that there's a lot more hair out than a normal passion twist. So I am going to keep it protected, and I will advise you to do the same too, so that you can get the longevity out of the money that you're spending on this hair. Okay, speaking of price, so the price point on this hair is $7.99 a pack. And I ordered mine from Sam's Beauty. Shout out to Sam's Beauty. Sam's Beauty always has everything that I need, and affordable pricing and fast shipping. They always have sales on their shipping, so make sure you guys check out Sam's Beauty. I will leave the link to this hair on their site down below. But yeah, so $7.99 a pack. So roughly you're spending about $70, which is not too bad for passion twist hair. And like I said, I'm obsessed with it. I love it, and it's affordable. It's a cute look. It's gonna last me in the gym, and that's really what I am looking for. I really like this hair. Like, I love the volume of it. It almost, like, from afar, it looks like I just have like normal crochet hair in, but when you get up close, you see all of the pretty detail of the actual passion twist. And so you get a twofer, a 2-in-1. You get the passion twist look and feel, and the fact that you get 15 in a pack is really good. So I didn't end up I only used 6.5. Like I said, this is what was left over from that 7th pack, and then I still had a whole pack left. So definitely, I think, you know, kind of budget it that way. If your head is bigger than mine, you think, then, you know, get you your extra pack. But I always say go over when doing these styles, especially if you're ordering from online sites, to go over what you think you're gonna need, because you never know. You could use that extra pack, and you could not, but it's always good to have an extra pack available to you. So that completes my review, guys. I am obsessed with this look. This definitely gives you a look, honey. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope you guys go check out this quality hair from the Main Concept. Main Concept, I think you did a great job. Now, I will come back in 2 weeks and give you guys an update. I'm putting it in my calendar right now so that I can update you guys on how this hair lasted in the gym and all of that stuff. So make sure you stay tuned for that video that will be coming up later on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And also, if you have time, hop on over to Instagram and follow me at @just_DJ, where I'll be posting any of my updated looks, hair tips, and everything else in my stories. So make sure you guys go follow me, subscribe, and join the family, and I will catch you guys on my next video. She definitely gives you a look.